Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you publish a report using the Power BI service in Power BI. So this is our report from the previous video in which we created a report composed of a table, a line chart, 2 cards and 3 donut charts. This was a report about region. Now in this video we are going to see that how can we actually publish this report to Power BI service. So for that purpose we have an option called as publish right over here. We can just click on it and you are required to sign in. Now one important thing that you must know is that for signing in purposes you need to go with a corporate email ID and you cannot go with like a Google ID or a Yahoo or Gmail or anything. You need to have a corporate mail ID for that purpose. So I have got a corporate mail ID just like this, and this is for if you have already signed in. So I have not signed in, so I need to go for a free account. I need to create an account in Power BI, and here we can just provide with our corporate email ID. I can click on sign up and it would ask me to wait. Okay, so I can click on yes, and you need to just provide your details. So what I'm going to do is just provide programming knowledge, programming here, and last name as knowledge, and the password I'm going to create a simple one, and again a password. So let's just confirm it. A verification code, so that is 800544 is my verification code, and you can just scroll down like this and you can just click on start. Now this would help you to create your account, and you can either save it or not save it. So I'm not going to save it right now. And if you want to invite more people for your workspace, you can just write their email IDs and you all would be clustered together. Either you can just click on skip. If you do not want to send invitations like I just did, I clicked on skip. Now what I'm going to do is just wait for a few seconds while this sign up is getting complete. And once the sign up gets complete, you will be able to see something like this for yourself. Okay, and this is from where I just got my mail ID, that is a corporate mail ID. So you can just follow this link as well to get a corporate mail ID for 10 minutes. Then this is how your workspace is going to look like. Okay, now you can go to workspace or my workspace. This will show all the work that you have done up till now. But since I have not done anything, I have not got anything, so it is not showing anything. Okay, now I can go back to my Power BI and I can again sign in by providing my email ID, clicking on sign in, and it may take a few seconds before it asks you to sign in for Power BI. And after you are successfully signed in, you will be able to publish your report into the Power BI service. Okay, so we can provide a password over here and then click on sign in. Okay, so what happens after this is you will be able to publish your report. Like you can see, first of all it asks you that where you want to publish. So yes, I want to publish to my workspace, and that's the only destination that I have got. So you can simply click on select, and there it would take some time to publish your file. Now one interesting thing is whole of your file would be published, which means if you contain a number of pages, all those pages would be published over the Power BI service. So you can see that we have got a success message, and if you want you can just open your file from here in Power BI service itself, and it may take a few seconds and you will be able to make out that actually your file is now published. Actually your report is now published like this. You can see whole of your report is available in Power BI. Now, why we have done this, like why we have published this report in Power BI service? The reason is, when you are working in a cluster or with a number of people, then you may require to share your reports with others. It is not mandatory that you are the only person working on the report. You may need to share it with multiple peoples, only with a few people, whether inside your department or into people spanning through multiple departments. So this is the purpose by which the Power BI was set up. This Power BI service was set up. It allows us to do different kinds of things with these reports. Like, it allows us to download this report. If you just click on download, you have got these bunch of options. Like, you can download in Power BI desktop. This means that if you have got this report, if you have not designed this report, but if you have got this report from any other colleague, you can simply download it in Power BI desktop, and then it would be available for you. Or you can go with Power BI for mobile, which will help you to just view that report in your mobile phone itself. Now, another important feature or another important thing is, this report is kind of interactive. Like, right now you see all the regions are visible, but if I just click on this East region, then what happens is, I'm getting in these three donut charts only the data of the East region. In these two cards, I'm getting the sales obtained from the East region and the profit from the East region, and in this table I'm getting all the records for the East region itself. And actually this line chart is distorted right now, but I'm getting the profit for the East region, which is 85,291. Simply, if we can just click on South, or if we can just click out, all of the regions are there, and if we just click on South, then we get all the reports or all the things about the South region. Simply, we can go with the Central region, we can go with the West region, or any region that we want. This means that this report is active as well, or it is interactive as well. Okay. Now, another thing is, if you want to just edit this report, if you want to do anything with this report, you can do it very easily. You can just go to this edit report option, and there will be a possibility from where you can just edit your report. You will get all these things, that is the fields, this orders table, and this visualizations pane, just like you got one for yourself in the Power BI desktop. This means all the features of the Power BI desktop that were available to us are now available through this Power BI service. All the possibilities that were there are now possible through Power BI service, with an added advantage that you can just save it, you can share it, you can perform as many operations that you want on this Power BI report. You can just perform them very easily. So that is all about this Power BI report publishing that you need to know, and thanks for watching this video.